Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with a layout using my March Cheeky.studio design team products, and I will have uploaded my design team package unboxing just prior to this video so that you can see everything I got in the package and then my first page that I get done with the March products. So this is, I decided to use the pink bouquet die cuts from this month's package because I absolutely love the colors, and I don't use a lot of lilac or purple in my layout, and in the flowers and in the feathers of this package or die cuts there is some tones of those colors, so I decided to do a layout using that color. And the pictures I decided to scrapbook is of the Cheeky.studio banner and also the Cheeky.studio design team for 2017-18. It was announced in December of 2017, so I thought it was high time that I did a page that I, was part of the design team for this term. So let's talk a little bit about Cheeky.studio and what they are. You can just type in Cheeky.studio, and they're a fairly new company, and it is run by Tuesday Hubbard, and it's all die cuts and flares, and it's an embellishment, so it's a great place to get your embellishments, and there is a ton in each package. And even that little acrylic piece that says Cheeky, that came in my March kit, so I thought it would be perfect for a layout about being on the design team. So I'll have all the information about Cheeky.studio in the description box below. And if it is your first order, if you put in Nicole Jones 911, you'll get 10% off your first order. Let's talk a little bit about what I'm doing with this page. I have 3 photos. All of them are 3.5 by 3.5. I printed them on my Canon selfie, and then I mounted all 3 photos, and then I took a project life card, which I also cut down at 3.5 by 3.5, and made sort of a collage of photos in a grid of 4, and then mounted it on some lilac purple cardstock. And the 4th square is where I'm going to do my journaling, but also where I'm going to put some of my embellishment clusters. Now next I took another pattern paper, and this is from it's the Pink Paisley Memorandum paper pad, and I got that in the States a few years ago when we were on vacation, and it has like 48 pattern papers in the paper pad. So I use one of the pattern papers as the background, and then the second pattern paper I cut it down to 10 by 10. So I just like how it has 3 squares, and it really makes it focus on the photos. Now I'm going to take the embellishments that came in that die cut pack, and I'm going to spread it out in 3 different clusters. Now I like to put what I call embellishment foundation to start off my clusters. Now that I took they were almost like labels from a scrap piece of pattern paper, and it had a bunch of labels all over it, and I cut down 2 of them, and then I just cut them in half and use them throughout the layout as my embellishment foundation. And then I'm going to use some of the embellishments that came in the kit. Now they are so well drawn out that I don't need to do too much other than actually put the die cuts that came in the kit. The die cuts, come to you already sort of like full. They have leaves behind them, quite a few little flowers. So once I put that down, I'm like, hey, that embellishment cluster is done. And then I also got some flares, and I added those on top of the embellishment clusters. And then I'm just going to have to add a couple of enamel dots, and that's going to complete this layout. So again, all the information is in the description box below. And also come and join us on the Facebook group as we have challenges every month, a whole bunch of them. And today I took on the challenge of, using quite a bit of die cuts. But as you can see on either side of my layout, I still have a ton of die cuts left. So I'll be able to create many, many more layouts. The only thing left to do to this layout is I'm going to put a title using my Doodlebug stickers in purple, and it's going to say Design Team 2017-2018. And I just want to give you a little bit of info why I'm not uploading a ton of videos in March. I'm having a scrapathon class the entire month of March, and we are having a ton of fun. So if you haven't joined us yet, it's not too late, because every day I put a file on the Facebook group that kind of talks about all the challenges that we talked about that day. And here's some of the challenges that we got done so far. We did a page using washi, mist, your sewing machine, stencil, recipe, project life cards, frames, tags, hidden journaling, multiple photos, large title, and so much more to come. And that's it. That's going to complete this layout. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, and maybe leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.